Some technology stocks are getting massive attention right now as investors continue watching developments in artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, and software. In this video, we look at several trending companies investors are discussing this week. This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Company number 1, Nvidia. Nvidia continues to be one of the most talked about companies in the market because of growing demand for artificial intelligence technology. Many businesses rely on Nvidia chips for AI systems, data centers, and advanced computing. Investors are closely watching whether AI demand can continue growing over the long term. Like many technology stocks, Nvidia can experience large price swings, especially during earnings season and major market news. Second company, Tesla. Tesla remains one of the most followed companies in the electric vehicle industry. Investors continue monitoring developments related to electric vehicles, battery technology, and autonomous driving systems. Because Tesla receives significant media attention, the stock often reacts strongly to company announcements and broader market trends. Supporters see future growth opportunities, while others remain cautious about competition in the EV market. Now let's take a closer look at Tesla from a broader perspective. Tesla is not only known for electric vehicles, but also for its focus on energy systems and future transportation technology. In recent years, the company has been expanding into areas like battery storage, solar energy, and software-driven vehicle features. Many investors follow Tesla closely because it often reacts strongly to both company updates and overall market sentiment. When there is positive news about innovation or production growth, the stock tends to gain attention quickly. But on the other hand, when there are concerns about competition or delivery numbers, the stock can become more volatile. This is why Tesla is often considered a high-interest stock among traders and long-term investors. It reflects both growth potential and higher risk compared to more traditional companies. Another important factor is that Tesla is part of a larger shift in the global automotive industry. Many countries are gradually moving toward electric transportation, which means companies in this space are expected to evolve rapidly over time. However, competition is increasing, with many global automakers entering the electric vehicle market. Because of this, investors often compare Tesla's innovation speed with its competitors when analyzing future potential. Overall, Tesla remains one of the most discussed companies in the market, especially when it comes to technology and transportation trends. Third company, Microsoft. Microsoft is another company attracting attention due to its investments in cloud computing and artificial intelligence. The company continues integrating AI tools into products used by businesses and consumers worldwide. Some investors view Microsoft as a more stable technology company compared to smaller high-growth stocks because of its diversified business model. However, like all public companies, future performance depends on market conditions and business execution. Another company, Apple. Apple continues to remain one of the world's most closely watched companies. Investors often focus on product launches, services revenue, and future technology developments. Because Apple has a large global customer base, its stock is commonly viewed as a major indicator for the broader technology market. Market sentiment around consumer spending and innovation can influence how investors react to Apple shares. Now moving to Apple, one of the most closely followed companies in the technology market. Apple continues to focus on its ecosystem, including iPhones, MacBooks, and digital services that connect millions of users worldwide. Investors often watch Apple closely because its performance is usually linked to global consumer demand and technology trends. Many market watchers also pay attention to new product cycles,